Here we are in the Syxsense console, and I'm going to go ahead and remediate a security vulnerability that's being exploited in the wild. First thing you want to do is go to the vulnerabilities page, and under security, you'll see all of the various security families that have scripts for Syxsense Secure. The one in particular I'm looking for is nicknamed Felina. Just by entering the CVE number, I can see it pop up here. Let's drill down on this vulnerability. And if I want to know any details about it, I can click on Remediation and View Details. There you can see the score, whether it's been weaponized, whether people are publicly aware of it. Also, you can see the impact to your environment. If a hacker were to exploit this particular vulnerability, they can gain control of your system and execute system commands, read, write, modify, and connect to databases on your device. So obviously we want to eliminate the vulnerability as quickly as possible. Let's go back into the Syxsense console. The resolution workflow is right here. You click on it. You can see the Cortex steps that this particular script uses to remediate the vulnerability. So in this particular Cortex workflow, we are checking to see if the registry key exists. We're executing the batch script, which if you want to look at the contents of the batch script, it's right here. We're doing an export, editing it, and deleting the key. If you need to make changes to this security script, you can do so right here just by adding more steps or more Cortex actions to it. After I've saved, you can see now I have a user customized script and the original template, which means I've certified it for use in Syxsense. Let's jump back over to that summary screen. And you can see that 321 of my devices have not been scanned. Let's scan them right now. It's going to go to all my devices, specifically the devices that have not been checked for this vulnerability. There's my vulnerability, and I'm going to run now. It's going to immediately create that task, queue up the devices for that task, and begin scanning them. The scan's begun, and it's already identified that I have at least 10 devices that are vulnerable for this particular issue. So let's go back over to the vulnerability screen from this task and see how to remediate. Go to Vulnerabilities, Security, and now you've seen that the scan has updated this to show 45 devices with the vulnerability. If I click right here to fix the security issue with Syxsense Cortex, it's going to line up all my devices and run that workflow. As the task runs, you can see it's already resolved and eliminated my vulnerability on 44 different devices. It's as easy as that. That is Syxsense Security Remediation with Cortex Workflows.